Hi, welcome to Progressive Health and Performance. My name is Savannah and I'm a licensed functional nutritionist and registered nurse here at PHP. As a functional nutritionist, I help identify your underlying imbalances and assist you in correcting them through therapeutic nutrition and lifestyle interventions. My passion for nutrition and functional medicine began after my family and I experienced many health struggles that could not be helped with conventional medicine. So after getting my bachelor's degree in animal science pre-vet, I diverted from pursuing vet school to finding a school that offered a nutrition degree that was functionally oriented. While completing my master's in human nutrition and functional medicine, I began attending as many functional medicine seminars and conferences as I could. I also interned with a variety of practitioners, including functional medicine chiropractors, naturopathic doctors, and certified nutrition specialists. Fast forward to today, I am now a licensed nutritionist, board-certified nutrition specialist, registered nurse, and soon to be doctor of clinical nutrition. This is truly my passion and my purpose, and I'm committed to helping you find the answers to your health struggles and start feeling your best.